Hello Cloud Gurus and welcome to Azure This Week. I'm Alex Mackey and I work for Redify and I'm standing in for Lars Clint whilst he's away. So it's been a little bit quieter in the Azure world this week, which may or may not have something to do with 4th of July Independence Day celebrations for American friends, but fear not, as we've still got some delicious and important Azure tidbit bits of news for you, the hungry viewer, to devour. First off, I'd like to start off by drawing your attention to a ZDNet article from last week. Based on a post on a Linux security list by a Microsoft developer, it was revealed that Linux usage on Azure has now surpassed Windows. Wow! Microsoft have certainly shown themselves to be extremely resilient, adaptable, and happy to embrace non-Microsoft products. We'll even see this in a couple of items this week. Now, no one likes an unexpected bill, and as you know, cost management of cloud hosting costs is very important. This week, Azure Cost Management gets a heap of updates, allowing easier management and forecasting of Azure spend. One thing some of you may be unaware of is that Azure Cost Management also allows you to see AWS usage costs. Mind blown! Kaboom! When reviewing costs, it's obviously important that you can view everything in a single place. And now with the addition of reservation and marketplace purchases, you have a better, more accurate picture of where your spending is going. Cost Management Forecast allows you to plan for the future by utilizing historical cost data to predict future spend. Finally, for when you are not watching awesome content on a Cloud Guru, this YouTube channel on cost management is pretty useful. As said best by Microsoft, Azure Blockchain Workbench is a collection of Azure services and capabilities designed to help you create and deploy blockchain applications to share business processes and data with other organizations. Developing blockchain applications requires a setup of a heap of infrastructure. Azure Blockchain Workbench can make this easier for you, allowing you to focus on your application logic. Workbench also provides functionality around user management, including Azure AD integration and REST APIs, making it easier to integrate with. This week, we see version 1.7.0 of Azure Blockchain Workbench released. And this release contains two main additions: the ability to quickly and easily deploy the Azure Blockchain service directly from Workbench, and support for the Quorum blockchain network. Now, unfortunately, the hard part of coming up with a good use case for blockchain is left to you. But rest assured that when you do, Azure has you covered. Well, that's all for this week and brings us to the end of another Azure This Week. So keep being awesome, Cloud Gurus.